Welcome to Tashkent, Uzbekistan, a country well known for its Silk Road history, Islamic architecture, and cultural heritage. A country which is widely emerging as an education hub for students all over the globe. If you are planning to do MBBS from Uzbekistan, Tashkent is your place. Welcome to GSL Impulse Medical Institute, an institute established in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. This university is recognized by the Ministry of Education, Science and Innovation by the Republic of Uzbekistan.
Hi everyone, we are in GSL Impulse and we are in the lecturer room right now. Let's hear from the students themselves their experience.
So we are inside the university and we are entering a microbiology lab, and we'll meet some of the students and know their experiences. Please introduce yourself and tell me where are you from.
Hi, I'm Shalin Jaisha from Tamil Nadu.
Okay, and for how many years you are studying in Uzbekistan?
I'm here from 2 years.
What made you choose this university?
It's very incredible in infrastructures too.
मेरा नाम वैभव शिंदे है और मैं महाराष्ट्र से हूँ।
थोड़ी बहुत उज़्बेक लैंग्वेज या रशियन लैंग्वेज भी आपको आ गई होगी?
हाँ, मुझे दोनों लैंग्वेज आती है, रशियन और उज़्बेक।
और यहीं आके आपने सीखी?
हाँ, यही आके मैंने सीखी।
सो ऐसा कुछ है कि यहाँ जब आप MBBS करने आते हैं, राइट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ईयर टिल नाउ, कभी आपको लगा हो कि कोई लैंग्वेज बैरियर है पढ़ते टाइम, या अगर आप मार्केट में कहीं जाते हैं या आप इस कंट्री में कहीं भी ट्रैवल करते हैं तो?
हाँ, लैंग्वेज बैरियर की बात आती है जब हम यूनिवर्सिटी के बाहर जाते हैं। यूनिवर्सिटी में सारी पढ़ाई इंग्लिश में होती है, पर अगर शॉप में जाते हैं या फिर कहीं मार्केट में जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे हमें जनरली उज़्बेक या फिर रशियन में कॉन्वर्सेशन करना पड़ता है।
Hi Shrita, so you've been studying in Uzbekistan since last 4-5 years. Can you please tell me a little bit about your experience studying here?
My experience in Uzbekistan has been quite very nice. I have learned new skills and as well as some new languages. I have been in Uzbekistan since last 5 years. This is my 5th year in Uzbekistan.
Okay, and where are you from in India?
I'm basically from Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal.
Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Okay, so Ishita, when you landed here first in Uzbekistan 5 years ago, what was your first impression about the country?
It was safe. When the time when I reached here, there were many people. They were trying to communicate. They were trying to make me comfortable that we are not aliens or any such things. And coming to the security part also, it was like coming to a new place.
Absolutely. When you come to a new place, you know, your parents also had this doubt in their mind that you are going to Uzbekistan and you might meet new people there. So what was your parents' reaction? How did you comfort them?
They themselves had a video call with me and they saw me talking to the people out here and the way they are behaving. So that made them more secure that their child is safe in this country.
GSL Impulse Institute एक अच्छा पर्याय है अगर आप इंडियन टीचर्स चाहते हो। उज़्बेकिस्तान टेरिटरी में पेड इंटर्नशिप है। लास्ट ईयर में किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी में पेड इंटर्नशिप नहीं दी जाती, पर GSL एकमात्र इंस्टीट्यूट है जो लास्ट ईयर में पेड इंटर्नशिप प्रोवाइड करता है और इंडियन फैसिलिटीज़ है, ये इसकी खासियत है।
So how would you describe the quality of teaching here?
The quality of teaching actually it's same like India, just the subjects are different and teachers are quite expressive in English.
Okay, so are your professors very supportive and their approach?
Yeah, they are. Yeah.
So how is the practical and clinical exposure here so far?
We haven't introduced to clinical exposure yet, but practical has been very good. We have been going for hospitals since 3rd year, so it's been a good experience.
Okay, if I ask you how the assessments and the classes work, I want to know in brief.
Actually, there happens 2 types of classes. One is for Viva and another is for practical. So in practical you go for hospitals and another Viva you go for literature.
What does a typical day in your life looks like? Can you please tell me a little bit about your routine here?
हर दिन पढ़ाई करना है, हॉस्पिटल जाना है, उधर पेशेंट्स को ट्रीट करना है, प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज, क्लिनिकल एक्सपोजर्स करनी है, ये सारे मेहनत बहुत लगती है।
If I talk about the climate of the country, how is the climate and how do the seasons change? Is it very cold? Is it very hot?
Yes, since it is a Central Asian country, it is obviously the climates are little bit extreme. Like we can have snowfalls in December, January, and
Is that a big difficulty for you?
No.
Not really.
No.
Okay.
And in summers mostly we go for holidays for 1 month. So
Back to India?
back to India. For that it is the hottest month of the year. So there we get a leave
But
from.
Delhi, but India also it's very hot. Madhya Pradesh also is very hot. Moving further, if I talk about the instructors here, what is the medium of instruction that they use and how comfortable is that for you?
The medium of instruction they use is mostly English.
Okay.
And it is much comfortable as many students in my batch itself are from different part of India. So English is the most communicating language in nowadays scenario. So it is like very much comforting.
Myself Soham Wayad and I am from Maharashtra.
प्लीज़ लेट मी नो आपको कितने साल हो गए यहाँ पे?
It's been 4 years. मुझे 4 साल यहाँ पे हो चुके हैं अभी तक.
मुझे प्लीज़ बताइए कि आप अगर यहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं सो यहाँ का जो कल्चर है, स्टडी कल्चर है एंड एनवायरनमेंट है, वो इंडिया से कितना डिफरेंट है?
इथलं कल्चर आणि ज्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत इथल्या त्या नियरली इंडियाचं सिमिलर आहे. कारण आणि इंडियाचं खूप नाव आहे या गोष्टीमध्ये. मीन्स बॉलिवूड वगैरे या सगळ्या गोष्टी ते फॉलो करतात. त्यामुळे बीइंग ए इंडियन आप यहाँ पे सबको अच्छा लगेगा.
How is the medium of instruction यहाँ पे जो instructors और आपके teachers use करते हैं वो कौन सी language use करते हैं? Medium of instruction क्या होता है and is that comfortable for you?
फॉर इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए तो हम लोगों ने जितना देखा है तो वो लोग इंग्लिश ही लैंग्वेज यूज़ करते हैं हमारे लिए.
फॉर ईयर 2 सेमेस्टर्स रहते हैं, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड सेमेस्टर्स. इसमें स्टार्टिंग में नॉन क्लिनिकल सब्जेक्ट्स एंड लैंग्वेज सब्जेक्ट्स रहते हैं फर्स्ट ईयर्स में. सेकंड ईयर में होगा कि जनरल MBBS सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक एनाटॉमी, फिजियोलॉजी एंड पैथोलॉजी, माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, हिस्टोलॉजी एंड एम्ब्रियोलॉजी लाइक दिस. अगर इंडिया से कंपेयर कर लेगा तो इधर सब्जेक्ट्स जो इंडिया में सब्जेक्ट्स है इधर वो टॉपिक की वजह से पढ़ाते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ दिस everything will be in digital versions teaching, but practical will be good. Means in this university it will be like quite similar to the Indian professor teaching and subjecting. Everything will be like same to India, but as compared to India it is cheaper to study here.
Hi, my name is Aditi Gavai. I'm here studying for 5th course. Work culture is nearly same like Indian, so there's not much to like explore. And universities are good. Translations are very good. Professor they translate in English so that we can understand better language. Like we can study better. Things get very easy for us to understand. So when there is a bit of fluctuation in understanding, so they explain. Some of us know Russian language or Uzbek language, so we connect it better.
Hi, my name is Ishita. I have been in Uzbekistan since last 5 years. If you are looking for a career option outside India, then this is the place where you can just find, blindly trust and work on it. Oh, you got me back. So let me tell you one more very nice thing about studying in Uzbekistan. Don't waste your time in NEET and working hard, wasting your career, wasting your life for years just because of NEET. If you want to be a promising doctor, then this is the perfect place where you can just blindly go and without any waste of years you can just practice here, you can just study here as same as India, because the crowd in India has been increasing a lot. Hi, this part of video is specifically for parents. As far as the concern of parents कि यहाँ पे बच्चों की सेफ्टी कैसे होगी, कैसी क्या चीज़ें हैं, so I can assure you I have been here for last 5 years and मैं अगर इंडिया से compare करूँ, since Tashkent is also the national capital, Delhi के comparative Tashkent is much safer than in context of safety. and रात में भी अगर कोई भी emergencies है, there are people available. Anytime you can just approach them. One more thing, talking about Magnum Educare. यहाँ पे राउंड द क्लॉक सहानी सर अवेलेबल रहते हैं, और इवन इन इंडिया आपको कभी भी ज़रूरत पड़े, पेरेंट्स वांट टू कोऑर्डिनेट, देयर आर पीपल इन इंडिया एज वेल जिनसे आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो, जहाँ पे आप मिल सकते हो एंड यू कैन क्लियर ऑल योर डाउट्स. यहाँ पे पीपल आर नॉट हैविंग एनी काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स कि हम अभी बता रहे हैं हम बाद में चेंज करेंगे. दिस थिंग इज़ एक्चुअली अ ट्रांसपेरेंट एंड द सेफेस्ट कंसल्टेंसी ऑन विच अ पेरेंट एंड द स्टूडेंट कैन रिलाई.
Okay, so we have one faculty from GSL Impulse Medical Institute. Let us know about her and about the university. Hi, please introduce yourself and tell me where are you from.
Okay, hello, my name is Sadokat and I am from Uzbekistan. I am teacher at Impulse Medical Institute.
Okay, so what are the facilities and infrastructure in this institute?
Okay, we have different facilities for studying here, especially, for example, I can say laboratory, modern technology and gym clubs also.
And what are the facilities for Indian students here?
Okay, when they come here to study, for example, they can study here, learn from the professional teachers and with different facilities for studying, and about the tuition fee also more lower than in India.
Yes, nice. And if I would like to ask you, can you suggest something and give a message to the Indian students who are planning to come to Uzbekistan and planning to be the future doctors? What kind of a message or opinion you would like to give to them?
Okay, I recommend the students to come here because of we offer different professional teachers and tuition fees also, and maybe a future career opportunity for future career.
So you are here from last 5 years and अब जो इंडिया के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, पेरेंट्स हैं जो अब नीट करने के बाद MBBS करना चाहते हैं, एंड इफ़ यू आर चूजिंग ताशकेंट या उज़्बेकिस्तान, तो अगर मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूं आप उनको रशियन या उज़्बेक लैंग्वेज में इनवाइट करें यहाँ के लिए, तो आप कैसे करेंगे प्लीज़?
Здравствуйте. Можно вы приходить в Узбекистан? Пожалуйста, приходите. Спасибо.
So one more benefit for the students other than MBBS, if you want to learn 2 more new languages, this is your choice. एक एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम, एक एक्स्ट्रा लैंग्वेज लर्न करने का मौका और एक कम्प्लीटली न्यू कंट्री में आके अपना एक्सपोजर्स को एक्सपीरियंस करना एंड एक डिग्री लेकर जाना, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस. कम टू GSL Impulse Medical University, Tashkent, Uzbekistan.